In this video, I'll explain how to buy USDT from P2P using your Binance app. Once you open your Binance app, something like this opens up. Then you have to click the third option of trades. If you see the lowermost column, it has home, markets, then trades. You have to click trades. Now in the upper column, you can see that there are some options of convert, spot, margin, fiat, and P2P. Now I'm going to click P2P because I have to buy USDT from P2P. Now these are some of the ads available who are selling their USDT, and as you go down, the rates keeps on increasing. So you have to choose your person from whom you have to buy the USDT. Also, if you can see that the price is per USDT is 188.80. This is the lowest possible value or price available in the market right now. And the crypto amount this person is holding is 5,459. However, you can buy either 150,000 minimum, or you have to buy more than that. So this upper and lower limit shows that this is the maximum or minimum amount of USDT that you can buy from him. So you need to also see that the rate should be lowest possible and the limit should be the one in which you want to buy. Maybe you don't want to buy too less, or maybe you don't want to buy too much. So you have to find out that particular person. Then if I move on, I can see 32,000, 40 and 11,000. So yes, I am going for so I have chosen HM Traders and I'm going to click buy. After entering buy, you have to see this kind of window. Then there are some terms. It says that third party payment is strictly not allowed. So if you want to buy the crypto using some other bank account other than or the name mentioned in your Binance account, then you cannot contact this person. So you can go back and you can find out some other person. So I'll be going with this person, Fahad. So now let's read the terms. Transfer funds, show the receipt, click on transferred button, wait for confirmation to release. Third party payment is again not acceptable. So again, I cannot get amount from this person as well. So again, I am going to scroll the new person. You have to find out if you falls under the terms and conditions mentioned by the said person, else you cannot proceed. So let's see what are the conditions for this seller. And all right, so I have selected this seller and let's see if he has any conditions attached. I have clicked buy with zero fee. So now you have to make the payment, but before that you can chat with the person available. So I'm clicking the chat icon in the right corner. Now let's talk to him and ask if the person is available. And you can ask about the third party payment restriction or any kind of information you want to get from the seller before you pay your amount. You have to make the terms very clear, and then you have to click the make payment button. So before that, I have to clear out either the person is all right or not. This seller has again an issue with third party payment, so I am going to cancel the order. But if you have no restrictions between the buyer and seller, then you have to click the make payment button, and after clicking the make button payment, you have to send the amount from your bank account to the seller's bank account. Once that is done, then you have to share the receipt over here by clicking this plus sign, and you can send the photo by clicking the photo button. You have to send the receipt of your sent amount, and this way the seller will be releasing the crypto in your wallet. So this is how you can very easily buy USDT from any seller on P2P.